Okay, I want to create the little end pieces, the rounded over end pieces, on the same size holly. These will eventually, these little pieces will be painted green. So I'm using holly, and eventually I'll paint those pieces green. Let's see, I need my little number 8 carving tool. And I'm going to create well, that one broke, so I'm not going to use that. I need to square these off before I cut the next one. So what I'm doing here is creating these little blocks to glue right into these end places here. So that's, I'll use the hide glue again to push those in and glue them. These smaller pieces that I cut out, those are just waste. So I don't want to mix them up with the new bigger pieces that I'm cutting now. So I'll just glue those right in there.